Hello guys, today is Saturday. Shoma is not home. He went for some of his work, and me and my sister is at home with this cute little baby. We ordered pizza for lunch, so we're going to have that, and it will be a combined vlog. I'm going to add a clip from Valentine's Day. Me and my sister went for lunch, and then I made Paneer Paratha for dinner on that day. I'm going to add those clips. Then I'm going to add today's clip, and today for dinner I'm going to make mutton biryani. I'm not going to show you guys step by step what I'm doing because I already have that on my channel. I'm going to link that in my description box, but I'm going to show you guys a clip from here and there, and so yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. Keep watching. Bye. Say bye. This dinner I'm going to make paneer paratha. For that I have taken grated paneer. In here I'm going to add grated ginger, chopped onion and chopped coriander. For the spices I'm going to add coriander powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala and salt to taste. Then I'm going to mix it up. Then I'm going to roll one roti, put the stuff in and take all the sides into the center and close it, and press it down, and then I'm going to roll the roti with very little pressure, and the paratha is ready to fry now. We're going to have raita, bundi raita with this stuffed paratha. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shijita. Today is Sunday and we came here. Where, Mama? Lake Pleasant. It's a short road trip. Yay!
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time,
Mama,
it's clear to see.
say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love to watch my videos and still you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload you will get a notification. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.